Nawr ten, bore yma, mae 1, 2, 3 o bobl wedi bod allan. Yn pysgota am cymwch, crab, cawell. Da iawn, cymwch yn y cawell. Cymwch. Cymwch glas.
Cymwch glas.
Maen nhw'n mynd yn binc pan ydych chi'n berwi nhw, dwi'n meddwl. Pan ydych chi'n rhoi nhw yn y dŵr, maen nhw'n troi'n binc. So glass before they're boiled, pink ar ôl berwi. Felly, So mae 3 ohonoch chi wedi bod yn pysgota ar y môr. A mae 5 ohonoch chi wedi bod yn yfed gwyn. So o'n i'n meddwl, prynhawn yma, ar ôl yfed y gwyn, dewis, y choice, dewis. So ydych chi eisiau bod yn teimlo sydd efo hen. So dewis, naill ai pysgodi'n gwlyb, we're going to slap you with a wet fish, I ddeffro chi felly, neu, dyn ni'n gallu canu can. So we'll clean out the wet fish, felly nid ni fynd am canu can I ddechrau y was. Ac bore yma gyda ni, mi wnaethoch chi y wyddor. You did y wyddor. Remember y wyddor? Aber ekech de erf. So this next song will be a doddle, because you've already done y wyddor. Felly ni dyma'r caneuon. So we'll exercise our vocal cords I ddechrau'r was, ac wedyn we'll move on with all kinds of activities a pethau felly. Iawn.
Can you leave the pig alone today, though?
Drian almost did. Os ydych chi eisiau dweud poor old something or other, it's Drian o. Drian o So you can say Drian o lawr I Bowen. Right, yeah? Well, Drian o pan ydych chi. When you came in, Drian o poor lawr I Bowen. Drian o. Drian o, felly, So Drian o mostyn. Right, now then, y gan. Since you've done y wyddor, the alphabet, y wyddor, we'll do can with lots of letters in it. A mae gan fynd fydd hyn, mae'n mynd, the top one, Llanfaid Pwll Gwyngyll, Gareth Chwynrobot, Llantysilio, goch. A dyna'r gan, nawn ni'n neud, felly, right. So mae'r gan yn dechrau, a wyddoch chi. Did you know? Chi is you. So a is the question form. So a wyddoch chi, did you know? A wyddoch chi. Pawb?
A wyddoch chi.
Fod yn Sir Fôn, the old name for Anglesey, it's like Snickers and Marathon, right? Felly Sir Fôn Ynys Môn now, so fod yn Sir Fôn, that is in Anglesey, fod yn Sir Fôn, rhyw bentre bach, little village, sy'n fawr ei sôn.
Sy'n fawr ei sôn.
Which is another way of saying it's enwog. Mawr ei sôn means it's talked about a lot. Right, so sy'n fawr ei sôn. Ac os ewch yno, ewch yno, if you go there, ac os ewch yno, cewch weld. You can see yr enw hwn. You can see this name. Sef, namely, Llanfaid Pwll Gwyngyll, Gareth Chwynrobot, Llantysilio, goch. Right, so mae'r gan, it's the first part of the song is repeated. So it goes, you know the tune, dwi'n siŵr. Mae'n mynd fan hyn. A wyddoch chi.
A wyddoch chi.
Fod yn Sir Fôn.
Fod yn Sir Fôn.
Rhyw bentre bach. Sy'n fawr ei sôn.
sôn.
The next bit, we all join together. We go, ac os ewch yno, cewch weld yr enw hwn, sef Llanfaid Pwll Gwyngyll, Gareth Chwynrobot, Llantysilio, Right, the first time you do that, it tends to be mumble, goch! So you can't actually just go up the goch. So let's do that Llanfaid Pwll Gwyngyll together. Llanfaid Pwll Gwyngyll, go Gareth Chwynrobot, Llantysilio, goch! So it's the rhythm. Llanfaid Pwll Gwyngyll, go Gareth Chwynrobot, Llantysilio, go! Da iawn, okay. Nawn ni fynd o'r top eto, a wedyn ni'n rhannu chi ar y canol. Wyddoch chi. yn Sir Fôn.
Fod yn Sir Fôn.
Rhyw bentre bach.
Rhyw bentre bach.
Sy'n fawr ei son.
Sy'n fawr ei son.
Ac os ewch cewch weld yr enw hwn, sef Llanfair bod Wynne gell o Gareth, Wynne o bod llan dysilio, go, go, go! Ar ddechrau, siw i sbrytiw lawr y canol. 1, 2, 3, 4 ar ochr yma. 1, 2, 3, 4 ar ochr yma. Iawn? So beth nawn ni ddeud, gewch chi ddechrau, and then you can do the second line. So we'll start off with an... So ddech chi mynd...
Wyddoch chi fod yn Sir Fôn. Fod yn Sir Fôn. Rhyw bentre bach.
Rhyw bentre bach.
Sy'n fawr ei son.
Sy'n fawr ei son.
Ac os ewch Wynne gell o Gareth, Wynne o bod llan dysilio, go, go, go!
Felly, alright. Wedyn, they got a picture on.
No, I took it up an octave just to put them off.
Right, now ni neud ffordd ar tro yma, chi'n pitcho. Chi sy'n pitcho, right? Dwi'n pitcho ar eich lefel chi. Right, gyda dyn. Dwi'n lomyd. No.
Everybody sing different notes. Bing, bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bang, dee, da, do, da, ba, do, dee, da, ba, do, dee. Now pick the notes.
Yeah, that's right. That's right, man.
Wyddoch chi
Wyddoch chi
fod yn Sir Fôn.
fod yn Sir Fôn.
Bentre bach.
Rhyw bentre bach.
Sy'n fawr ei son.
Sy'n fawr ei son.
Ac os ewch
Llanfair bod Wynne gell o Gareth, Wynne o bod llan dysilio, go, go, go!
Shame on for the wet fish, but there we are. Really like the answer. Right,
Well done,
okay. Be nawn ni nawr, we'll start doing some work on the second page, telling Dai, a felly ysgaw y sgript allan so chyna, we'll have a quick read through o tudalen Dai, ac wedyn, we'll go off and do some jigsaws and all kinds of things later on. We'll do a bit of the two-sided cards ac yn y blaen, I ddechrau tynnu'r iaith, tynnu!
Yeah, get in now. I need to give the voice a bit of a...
Tynnu yr iaith
slap in
mas.
the face.
Right, so, tynnu yr iaith mas. So, tudalen Dai, let's go from the top. We'll read through this together, okay, line by line. So from now on, Dai. So from now on, throughout yr wythnos, we will be yn tynnu yr iaith allan. Pop, allan, fanna. Right, okay? It's better to tynnu... Yeah, instead of pulling your hair out, we pull the iaith allan. We'll just Dai am now, because we then go on to the two-sided cards a beth felly. So, o'r top, dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg, pawb?
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg.
So we're on page 2, there we are. Wrth gwrs, Portiwgeeg, rhywfaint o Ffrangeg,
Rhywfaint o Ffrangeg
a tipyn bach o Saesneg.
a tipyn bach o Saesneg.
Dwi'n gallu darllen a deall,
Dwi'n gallu darllen a deall.
Almaeneg hefyd.
Almaeneg hefyd.
Mae'n siŵr.
Mae'n siŵr.
So if somebody says something in Gymraeg and you just want to agree with them, you say, mae'n siŵr. Yeah, probably correct, yeah. Mae'n siŵr.
Mae'n siŵr.
Mae'n siŵr eich bod chi wedi gweld
Mae bod chi wedi gweld
rhai o fy ffilmiau I.
rhai o fy ffilmiau.
Ffilmiau enwog iawn fel
Ffilmiau enwog iawn fel
y chwech gwych, Ioan a'r 5 corach,
Ioan a'r 5 corach.
a'r 2 fwsga terwr.
A'r 2 fwsga terwr.
Dwi newydd ryddhau
Dwi newydd ryddhau
fy ffilm ddiweddaraf.
ffilm ddiweddaraf.
Indiana Jones a'r tri mochyn bach.
Indiana Jones a tri mochyn bach.
Ac mae llawer o bobl yn credu ei bod hi mor dda,
Ei bod hi mor dda,
ei bod hi'n siŵr o ennill,
ei bod hi'n siŵr o ennill,
o leiaf un Oscar,
o leiaf un Oscar,
os nad mwy.
os nad mwy.
Ond dwi ddim wedi dod yma heddi
Ond dwi ddim wedi bod yma
i
heddi
siarad am
i siarad am
Indiana Jones a'r tri mochyn bach.
Indiana Jones a tri mochyn bach.
Na.
Na.
Dwi wedi dod yma
Dwi wedi bod
i
yma
baratoi ar gyfer
i baratoi ar gyfer
cyfres dyledu newydd
cyfres dyledu newydd
ar gyfer S4C,
ar gyfer S4C.
Anturiaethau fflach eirias.
Anturiaethau fflach eirias.
Mae hi'n gyfres gyffroes iawn.
Mae'n gyfres gyfroes iawn
Sy'n sôn am ymdrechion
sy'n sôn am ddeiderchion
fflach eirias
fflach eirias
ein harwr ni oll
ein harw ni oll
i achub y ddeiar
i achub y ddaear
rhag dihirod dieflig
rhag dihiriod dieblig
o ben draw'r bydysawd
o ben draw bydysawd.
gyda'r gyfres arloesol yma.
gyda'r gyfres arloesol yma.
Dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio
Dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio
rhyw actorion ceiniog a dimau.
Rhyw actorion ceinog a dimau.
Da iawn, ardderchog. I'm going to point out one thing which may make it easier for you. Depends, you do beth bynnag dych chi isio. Fan hyn, mae Dwynwen, see what she's done? Wedi staplo fanna, a wedi rhoi nhw
Class
fanna.
what, class what.
So, mae'n handi. Os dych chi, ac hefyd mae buddig wedi gwneud, so mae buddig a Dwynwen wedi gwneud e felly. Mae hynny'n gallu helpu os dych chi isio, or you can keep them as you've done. Beth bynnag dych chi isio. Right, nawr ten. Beth nawn ni nawr ydy...
Syniad da.
Mae'n syniad ardderchog ydy gwir. So, os nawn ni nawr cael... Mewn parau. Mewn parau. So, ni'n gallu cael 1, 2, 3, 4 fan hyn, trwch yna. So, sort yourselves into pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ac 1, 2, 3, 4 ar y top yn fanna.
Ar y top.
Ar y top, yeah. No, you don't need the folders. Dim am hwn.
Do we need anything?
Nothing. Dim byd. You just chi'ch hunan. Just yourselves.
Should we swap instead?
Yeah, swapiwch. Go with different
You're going to
partners.
swap with different partners?
Yeah, swap with different partners, yeah. Ac os ydych chi'n dod i fyny, you don't need the files, dim eisiau files. Dyma ni. Right, dyma ni. Right, so chi'n neud sef yna, dych chi'n neud sef yna, dych chi'n neud sef fan hyn, ia. Dyma ni. Okay.
Dŵr.
Os gwelwch hwnna.
So, beth ydych chi'n neud? So, beth ydych chi'n neud? You go Cymraeg, Saesneg. Always go from Cymraeg into Saesneg, because it's always easier to understand than to actually produce a language, yeah? So, ydych chi'n agor yr amlen, tynnu nhw allan, and you've got the cards there. So, put them all face up ar y bwrdd, efo Cymraeg yn edrych i fyny. Cymraeg yn edrych i fyny. Put the Cymraeg yn edrych i fyny, and then you take one of them, and then you give a gist translation of what it means, a checkio. Ochr arall. If you're happy with it, leave it there. If you're not happy, come back to it again, put it to the side, come and recycle. Felly, just mynd rownd, ond y peth cynta ydy, edrych arno fo and try and suss out be mae o'n i feddwl. Get the gist of the meaning. And you can always check, because mae Saesneg yr ochr arall. Okay, ffwrdd chi.
Well, I haven't come here today.
Right. Do you want to do that one?
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg. I speak Welsh, Spanish, of course, Portuguese. Now, Roifant, is that also?
I think some. I think it's some.
Oh yes. Some French and a very little bit of English.
Yeah, some. Trwyfaint, some. Faint is like how much,
Faint
how
o gloch.
many, isn't it? Yeah, faint. Yeah, so it's to do with the amount of the level.
Yeah, because you're asking how many hours essentially, aren't you? So llwyfant.
Right.
Okay, go on then. Let's get that one. Okay.
Right.
So the newydd is newid is to change.
I don't...
Not new, it's not new.
I don't know how to understand it, but remember, I didn't come here today.
Ryddai.
To talk.
I don't know that bit.
No, to talk about. Talk to you.
The latest film is Indiana Jones and my flower.
And lots of
a lot of people
and Creddy believe
and bod hi Morza and bod hi Morza that is very good,
that it is much better, that it is excellent,
and bod hi sure it's going to be sure to win,
yeah,
or even
at least one Oscar, os nad mwy,
if not more.
Right, what's your top one mean? I have just released newid, just newid. Rhyddhau. Let's leave that one in for a minute, yeah? Okay. So we know that one,
What's with that?
Oh, I'm sure that you have viewed of me. I'm sure that you've viewed of me and my films.
Are you a famous? I think my famous film.
Sure you've viewed of me and my films, maybe.
Film.
Such a no. I'm sure. I'm
sure.
I am sure. I bod hi wedi gweld. I'm sure I just said it, gweld. I'm sure you've seen before.
Oh yeah, you've seen it before.
Yeah, I just heard him saying it. Yeah. I'm sure you've seen my films before.
Hopefully my famous films such as
my very good films such as
things. Yeah, film enwog is famous, isn't it?
I can read and understand German too.
That's good.
Right?
That is completely right.
On it.
Oh, right. I can speak Welsh and Spanish, of course, Portuguese, some French, and a little tiny bit of English.
Nice, I love it. Let's try this
That's my latest. So,
my latest film. I don't know what that first line is. I've just released.
That's
I didn't know that. No, I didn't know that either.
You probably may have seen heard of like Cymraeg.
Okay.
Right. We can ask him the rhyw and the rhywfaint. The rhyw and the rhywfaint.
Oh yeah.
That would be good. Rhai and rhywfaint.
Yes.
Oh God, I'm saying it wrong.
I think you were right. I think that's the plural. Because it's film iau, so rhai, as opposed to some French.
Yeah, like an amount of.
Yes. An amount of French, or
some of all these things there. So yes. So I've got 10 pies there, and I know you've eaten 2 of them, rather than having one big pie there and you've eaten a bit
some
of it.
from the pie. Yes.
That's what we're going to see.
Good. Could we try or film iau?
Yeah.
You've seen some of my films.
Yeah.
Llwyfant o Ffrangeg.
Yeah.
I know some Welsh.
Yeah.
The rhai, the llwyfant.
We've got a theory.
Right.
Say your theory.
Well, no, sure. You say it, and I agree with you.
I thought that if I had 10 pies, and you'd eaten 2 of them, then that would be that would be the try.
Yes, good.
But if I had made one big pie and you'd add a bit to it,
Yes, you
it'd be
rhufaint.
trwyfaint.
Yeah, because rhufaint actually means some measure.
So
As in
there we are.
gloch.
Yeah.
It's the
If there's a vint in something, like vint o'r gloch, vint o bobl sy'n safell, you give a number back. Because it means what measure. So rhywfaint, some measure of a whole, a fraction, in a way.
Okay.
Da iawn.
Da iawn, diolch. Okay.
So vint is how many essentially for a number. Okay.
Right, off you go. Oh, good luck.
Gyda gyffrus aloesol yma.
I don't know what arloesol is. Arloesol.
Sôn yn drechion.
Which talks in siarad.
If you're a Roman Catholic, there's the creed and the creed.
Oh well.
Right.
That one's crap, isn't it?
Ein harw ni oll our hero. Harw yna.
What's that? A harw ni oll, our hero.
Harw ni oll, yeah.
I know Gathley, I've done it just...
Our hero,
Like, is it to read?
Rhag, dy hirod diefflig, dy hirod efflig, o ben draw bydd y sow.
From the far end of the
Oh, right,
universe.
so
yeah,
I
isn't it?
understand.
Right, so that was one that we had trouble
Yeah,
with.
yes.
And read. Is it?
Okay.
Dwi wedi dod yma. I haven't come here.
Not to read, is it?
No, dwi wedi dod yma.
I haven't come here to...
No,
No?
I have come here. No, I have come here
Right. No, I haven't come
to
here.
prepare for the series.
Gyffrith. Television, the new television series.
No, gyfer. It's a series that, what's this? I paratoi a gyfer. To prepare and... What's gyfer?
Gyfer, we had it there, didn't we? Gyfer. What is it?
No, it's just to prepare for... Oh,
Prepare for series.
no, for. It means, you could say, dwi'n gweithio ar gyfer BBX. I'm working for. When you're working for somebody like that, ar gyfer.
Dyledu newydd.
For...
Gyfer S4C, sef. Antiwlia,
The Adventures of Fluff. So we're okay with that one, are we?
Look at all these languages, and then you say,
Right.
I can read and understand German as well, also. Yeah, but da iawn. Great.
Nah, we wedded. Oh my god.
Remember what I said about wedi? Where do you place wedi? Past. In the past, it's behind you.
Right.
Wedi is always behind you.
So, no, nah, no. Dwi wedi dod yma.
Now I don't want...
I don't want to talk about it? No. No, I'm not sure. Nah. I haven't come here.
Great. Spot on.
I haven't come here
to talk.
No, I haven't come here. Like, I am come here. What is baratoi? Baratoi, I know that
Talk,
word.
isn't it? Is
Is
it?
it?
Oh no, it's not. It's
No, to baratoi means something in English. It begins with a P. I know that. Baratoi.
Yeah.
From the thing.
Because I thought it was talk like a parrot. It's not. I don't know if that's
No,
right.
baratoi, whatever it is, begins with a P in English.
You did that one yesterday.
Did it begin with a P? Yeah. It does, doesn't it?
Dwi ddim eisiau
Baratoi, P.
defnyddio.
Well, let's see if we can get the rest. New. Something new. Series. That series.
Project. I am coming here to talk about that project. I am coming here to talk about... No. I've come here to talk about my new project on telly, on S4C.
Called.
And iaith flach erias.
Get in. No, I haven't committed to. No, I've come here to prepare. That's it. I've come here to prepare.
Paratoi. I said prepare.
Yeah, prepare.
Yeah, and then I said talk, didn't I?
Yeah, but no, I said talk.
Oh, did you? Oh,
I got it
right.
more wrong than you. No, I've come here to prepare for a new TV. That's it. New is TV. New, so new TV. That's TV, isn't it?
Deledu is television.
New TV television. Fresh will see. That's it. Yeah. Brilliant.
T-boy-T, so restaurant.
Yeah.
Dydw i ddim yn hoffi T-boy-T cainio gyda yma.
Could do. We'll try it. We'll and this one, what's that one? That's some again, is it?
Yes. Yeah. That's the sum. Defnyddio
which is the rhywfaint.
And the faint will be because it's
an amount.
The amount.
And it'll always have a number.
That's right. Whereas this, although would it be wrong if you said rhywfaint actorion ceiniog? Oh no. Because that is of the one pi. This
and that's that one, the pi.
Exactly.
Okay, yeah.
Some actors, like you said, the pi is 10 pies.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
Gyda gyfres aloesol yma, dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio rhyw
actorion ceiniog a dimma. Right, I think we move on from that one. Very good. Round she goes, where she lands, nobody knows.
Could, Ioan, sorry, can...
Ceiniog a dimma.
Could we use that? Because I don't want to use cheap actors.
Yeah.
Dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio rhyw actorion.
Some is rhyw, so some...
We've got another few there.
Dwi ddim yn hoffi tŷ-boeti ceiniog a dimma.
Yeah, da iawn.
Dwi ddim yn hoffi dillad ceiniog a dimma.
Yeah. So ceiniog a dimma means a penny halfpenny.
So cheap with anything.
It's cheap or nasty, ceiniog a dimma. Cheap in the sense that it's not expensive would be hard, R-H-A-D. But ceiniog a dimma is a sort of cheap or nasty.
So actually you would probably use it for things like clothes or...
Yeah, and it's derogative. Ceiniog a dimma. I don't want to use some riff-raff actors, some cheap or nasty, like somebody being dragged in off the street. No, I don't want to use them. I want the best.
We like it, to me.
Yeah.
And dimma, just dimma.
Dimma is
dimma, so don't worry about the dimma.
No, dimma. Dimma is a halfpenny. It's like dime in America.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Da iawn. Yeah.
I don't want cheap actors who actorion ceiniog dimma. I don't want any... What's that? To use defnyddio. Dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio. I don't want to use any cheap actors. Actorion ceiniog a dimma.
Just dimma.
Some, is it? No. Actorion. Yeah. Is that like a little phrase? Ceiniog a dimma.
But y gyfres aloesol yma dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio rhyw actorion ceiniog a dimma. So much more weird in that. I don't want to use cheap actors.
Yeah, I know.
So with this pioneering series, I don't want to use some cheap actors.
Okay.
Is that everyone gone? Do this again.
Yeah, there's that, like that.
Yeah, but it can't.
This one?
Yeah.
Mae hi'n gyfres gyffrous iawn. It's a very exciting series sy'n sôn am ymdrechion. What is the matter with me with that? I have like literally effort.
There we go.
What is the effort? Do you know what? I've got like there are certain words.
Comprehension.
Like literally.
I cannot remember.
No matter how many times you tell me what they mean or how they've said. No, absolutely no idea. Sy'n sôn am ymdrechion, which follows the effort.
And always go with your gut reaction. Always go with your gut feeling.
Especially to be honest.
Yeah.
Deflig.
Diavlig.
Diavlig.
D, say D. Ev. Lig.
Diavlig.
That's perfect. Diavlig.
What does that mean?
Villains. Is it or
Dastardly. It comes from the word diavol, which means devil.
Diablo.
Diablo in Spanish, yeah. So dievlig, diablo, yeah, and so on. So yeah, fantastic. Should we put these back in the envelopes then? Yeah, da iawn.
Give us more, Bat.
Right, okay.
It's your best shot.
Let's give you a...
Embarrassing, but I think we finish first.
Yeah.
Not that I'm competitive.
Right, iawn, dyma ni. Right, os ydych chi'n rhoi nôl yn amlenni nawr. Are you up for it to do the llinellau, the lines? Right, okay, gewch ni weld. Okay, so rhowch ni nôl yn yr amlenni, put them back in the envelope, os gwelwch yna, yn yr amlenni. Right, iawn.
Oh, that was a word.
We can do it later on. I think what we'll do is we'll, rather than have the same thing, if you hang on to the envelopes next to you, we can come back and do them English to Welsh later, because these are, this page is a bit longer than the other one.
Yeah.
But we can have a bash at this when you're warmed up. It's like doing the splits. You don't do the splits when you first start the lesson. You've got to warm up first of all. Stretch your gyntaf, felly, right? Okay. We don't want you to throw a linguistic hernia. So, felly, iawn, felly, gawn ni weld. Right. Nawr ten, y llinellau nawr, y llinellau tudalen 2. So, if you rhoi'ch yn ôl yn yr amlen, so yna. So, be dyn ni'n mynd I wneud, because we had a request here, up for it, they want to do the Saesneg into Cymraeg. So, baraton later on. Right,
the SWATs up there.
Yeah.
You're in for a slap,
On, before we get to that, and we'll come back to, and hwyrach ymlaen, because we'll do that, maybe we'll do that more, like as a group of 4 as opposed to a group of 2, and people can help each other on that. Because mae'n bwysig iawn, I mean, it's not only important to learn the language, it's also important I wybod how you learn the language so that you're actually in tune with what actually goes on with the process. Ac, os dyma pyramid, this is the iceberg. That's the tip of the iceberg. The tip of the iceberg is your ability to produce language, to come out with language. The bottom of the iceberg is your ability to comprehend language. There are many, many people out there who can understand Welsh, but don't actually come out and speak it. Tons and tons of people, actually. You'd be surprised that so many people can actually sing Welsh hymns. Very popular, even people who don't speak Welsh. But there are levels, even on your subconscious comprehension of a language. There is some stuff which is just below the threshold, and somebody says, like, what's the Welsh word for? And you think, just I'm gonna tip my tongue, I know that. And then there are other things which are below there, and people say, what's the Welsh word for that? And you say, oh, no, I have no idea. No, I don't know that, no. But if you say, well, no, just guess. Just guess. And they go, and they're right. Because if you just guess, what happens is something which you not really think you know, but if you try, you won't get it. But if you just let it happen, 60–70% of the time, you'll be right. Okay, so there is those levels of comprehension. So the production bit is always the icing on the cake. But the first thing is, it's like anything. If people don't have a solid base, they're easy to push over. If your legs look this and something pushes you on the side, you can syrthio drosodd. If your legs are open, wide and strong and somebody tries to push you, you're solid. And the same thing with iaith. You need a big base. You need your comprehension. Okay, nawr te, llinellau. In. So we want to put the whole page back into its order I mewn i'w drefn. Okay, and I'll be coming around and suggesting, maybe nudging you in the right direction, tipyn bach. But see if clusters come together initially, right? Oh, this goes with this and this goes with this. Clusters, and then build the clusters together. A gweld ydych chi'n gallu cael tudalen gyfan. So first thing, spread out them all. Os ydych chi eisiau, have you got enough room there? Neu ydych chi eisiau mynd I fyny fan'na? Ydych chi'n iawn? Okay.
Who put the thing in the bing, 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 bing? Who put the thing in the gung, gung, ding, gung, ding? That's a winner. If we put it up there then, TD is going to be the top, isn't it? TD. Oh, we didn't do them in order though, did we? We didn't do those, we just picked them up.
No, we just picked them. That's what you asked them. You didn't say do them in order.
Oh, right. So we put them in clusters.
So, So, what did we had?
I didn't even know it was. My brain's in this. A little bit of English.
Oh, there's some...
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg.
We need an of course in there.
We need a Portuguese.
Of course. There we go.
I need a Portuguese.
I have Cymraeg today.
Almaeneg.
Oh, well, then that's at the bottom of that bit, isn't it?
That was it, wasn't it?
I said no.
Do we do a Portuguese in here? Yeah, Portuguese.
And well done.
Ond dwi wedi dod...
Tipyn bach. Saesneg.
That's the top of that.
Sbaeneg.
I haven't come here today, and that's
Of course.
No.
Sbaeneg, wrth gwrs.
Tipyn bach
Does it not go Sbaeneg? Portuguese, of course, because it comes from Patagonia.
Here.
No, I haven't come here
because
today to
it's
talk
Welsh and
about...
Spanish, of course.
That's the next one, isn't it?
Portuguese.
What's the next
Right,
one?
a tipyn bach o Saesneg.
Yeah.
Almaeneg, and then it's hefyd, and then like the reading, I can read a little as well and stuff, innit?
Sure, that's it.
You know, it says I can read and understand it. What was that word again? Was it? Dwi'n gallu darllen a deall?
That's right, yeah, that's there.
So does that go you?
No, I think that was...
Because I can read and understand a little German.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Brilliant, you're a genius.
And then that's a full stop, and then it's a new paragraph, isn't it? What does he say then? Does he like say, but I am... No.
He's talking about his film, isn't he, then?
Who's that?
Is it about the Oscars bit?
Yeah. He doesn't want to talk, he hasn't come to talk about his old films, he's going to talk about his new film.
Is it? No, so I've come for a new...
And there's some French.
Right, open
Dipping back.
they're talking, I can't do it, I'm talking.
I believe, credu was the believe, wasn't it? I believe. That's going to go.
Is that the start?
That
Right.
goes there, doesn't it? Because that was...
That's the last sentence.
That was about
Baratoi.
people.
Mine hefyd.
So there's a line missing.
Believe.
Was it done?
Dwi'n gallu...
Deall.
Gallu. There we go. Right, so that's the top half, yeah?
So that's to read and understand. What's gallu to...
Darllen is to read.
To read and understand,
Deall, yeah.
And gallu...
Gallu is to be able to.
To be able to, I said. Gallu.
5 dwarfs, weren't there?
Right.
We're winning this.
No, do we...
Should we put the films together?
That's the 5 dwarfs.
Yeah.
The Three, where's the Three Musketeer?
That's the end.
Project, my new project.
It doesn't matter if the sentences are in order, just as
that
the
it?
sentences are
Get a
complete.
paragraph in, is it?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it?
just the chunks.
That's it.
As long as the sentences are complete sentences, it doesn't matter if they're necessarily in the same
Nah.
order.
Dwi wedi dod yma.
So I've come here to talk, I've come here...
That was it, didn't it? Ond dwi ddim wedi dod yma... Oh no.
No, I've come here today.
Series? What kind of series is it? It's a...
Gyda gyffres yma. Mae hyn gyffres.
Those are going the same. Those are in the right place.
Good one's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Coffee, good sugar.
And that is.
With.
Yeah. So with
Brechion.
the gyfres ar loesol yma. With
The latest film.
this... What kind of series is it?
Where's the ddau? Yeah.
That's the right at the bottom.
There, like that.
That's it.
They're in the right place.
Right.
Aren't they?
Make sure and credit. Oh, is that right?
Didn't we talk about the name?
Should we go back to the top?
Snow White.
Ah, look at that one. I'm starting to understand a little bit of...
That's right.
No,
No, I can understand, yeah. Oh, there we go.
That's it, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's that one.
If bod hi wedi gweld... Oh, this is about they've seen my films, isn't it?
Yeah, look.
Oh, I think, is that between short? Yeah. Where's that?
Sure, yeah. I'm
my
sure you must have seen some of my films.
I went up
And there's the very famous films one.
Oh.
There we go.
Or was that at the top? What, another Indiana Jones?
My latest film, I have just released.
Oh, yes.
There we go. My films are there. Newydd, anyway? Something
Was it
yeah.
my latest?
My new film I've just released.
This was this one. Didn't we do about
What's that? Oh, series. Oh, that's the series, isn't it?
So that's down here.
sure to win at least an Oscar, if not more.
There we go.
I've come here today to prepare.
We know
Yes.
What's that? Do we know it?
I've just released my latest film.
Oh. Just a mochyn bach.
Which is so good. No, that's the other thing in it. That's.
Do you know what? I think it's just as long as it makes sense. Who shouted first, mate? You shouted. Oh no, isn't that to talk about?
Yes. Oh yeah, you're so right. Here to talk about.
Tween, where's the Dween? I'm here today. I'm here today to talk about. Dwi wedi dod yma I siarad am cyfres dyledu newydd ar gyfer
SVC. There we go. Okay.
Mae hi'n... We could put all this
I do not want to use cheap actors in my film.
Oh yeah.
Dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio.
Does all this go under there? Mae fflachuras. Mae hi'n gyfres iawn.
Yeah, he does.
There we go. Sticky hands. Oh, that's the Oscar bit, isn't it?
But I'm not here to talk about
Saesneg. Almaeneg hefyd.
Oh, no, is it dwi'n gallu darllen y deall Almaeneg hefyd?
Ooh. Could be, yeah. You could read and understand German, is it?
I speak Welsh and Spanish, of course, because he's from there. I'm able to read and understand Portuguese.
Some French.
Yeah.
And a little tiny bit of English. German also.
Okay.
Those go together. We never got as far as him, and we didn't wedi Bob.
Get that away.
These are down talking about the new series. Anything about Flash, put down there. Remember him down there, down there, down there. Oh, these are all Flash Gordon ones, those are.
So, Cyfres Teledu Newydd, new series. What was...
That's linked to that, isn't it? Ond dwi ddim wedi... I didn't come here to talk about Indiana Jones.
Right. Sy'n sôn am drechian.
Ac mae llawer o bobl...
Llawer o bobl i bod mor gweld, i bod mor dda, i bod siwr o ennill, bod yn Oscar.
That's the devil in it,
Right, look, this is a bit.
That's on the bottom, towards the bottom, isn't it?
What about this?
I chachafyr rag by...
Whoa.
Earth, something about Earth.
Our
Our superhero.
Yeah, our hero. Our hero. Flag that's our hero.
Oh, well done.
Yeah, and what's he going to
Right,
do?
mae hi'n gyfres gyffroes iawn. It is a series, a very exciting series.
Save the Earth.
Save the Earth.
That's it.
Save the Earth.
Well done.
Oh, right, that's very cool.
Is it cyffres dyledau newydd?
I baradoi ar
Right, so
gyfer.
that's I think that's
You
what
preparing for that? That's
Let's go for some of the others now. Wow.
And is it cyffres dyledau newydd?
But you try
the hell
my
is
new
that?
project.
That's a new television.
The new television.
Does that go in there?
I know, we've done that there.
Got it to the gyfer for a new television series.
Ar gyfer
Mae hi'n
S4C.
cyffres.
What's that? My hi'n gyfraith. What's that?
Exciting.
Well, what about that? Isn't that before it there?
No, series
Mae hi'n
My very exciting series. My very exciting
Yeah, but that's
It's a very exciting
series, right?
talking about. It's very exciting.
Do ddim eisiau, I do not want to use, right? Do ddim eisiau defnyddio.
I'm talking...
We
We haven't done Oscar one yet.
For the series here, right?
Gyda gyffres.
How much have we got
Oh, there
left?
you are. Right.
It's the film.
Oh, yn credu, that must come in, yeah.
Credu.
I don't
Yn wedi gweld yn
I
credu.
don't wanna...
So, there's lots of people
Lots of people
who have seen, believe, oh no,
No.
believe, yeah, it is so good that it's sure to win at least one
At least
Oscar.
Oscar or even more.
So I don't want to talk about that today.
But is he talking? He says that after you talk about all this lot, isn't he?
About the films.
So that's his Musketeers. That's his. That's the
Five dwarfs. 3 pigs.
Yeah.
What's that? 6 what?
Right, those are in the
It's Magnificent Six.
Indiana Jones. You may have heard of me. That's what he kind of says, doesn't he?
Oh yeah.
There's some here, look. What are
Oh
they?
no, those are the last. We've done that one. That's the last one.
My heen. Did you say this? What's Gyfroes again?
That's my exciting new series. My very exciting new series. My very exciting new series. I'm here to talk about my very exciting new series.
What's the word araf again?
I director. I'm film director. Is that director? No, that.
This series.
Oh God, my head's hurting.
It is a film director.
Film Ddiweddaraf.
What the fuck is that? That's the latest project. It's the latest Ddiweddaraf.
Ddiweddaraf is his latest film, which was one of these ones.
Oh, yeah, that's just talking about winning an Oscar for these, isn't it?
Was that Ariosol again? Ariosol.
Ariosol. Oh, we know that. We can tell you that one. We've just done it. What was Ariosol again? We've done it.
Is it Power?
No, Ariosol is like a superhero.
Yeah.
No, Heroes. Heroa.
That's Hero.
Hero.
Ariosol.
What's Ariosol?
What does it look like? What does it look like?
We've got it in our centre somewhere. We've done
That
it.
is
I can remember, it begins with a P. Just said it now.
not project. No.
No. We've done Ariosol.
We have. Oh, come on, Bray.
Where is it in our thing? You had it. It was you who said it.
Yeah, could you speak?
Here we are.
Ariosol.
Oh, come on.
Indiana Jones.
Series.
I am come here.
No, it's something
Yeah,
serious.
but that is I am come here is the second line.
I want in my something.
What's Gyfroes?
Oh, pioneering. It's pioneering. Pioneering.
Get a Gyfroes.
Gyfroes is exciting.
Is it right?
Gyfroes is exciting. No, that series. That's exciting.
Gyfroes is serious.
Series.
I do not want to use
Now,
I'm
people think
going
I'm going to win an Oscar, if not meant the credit. That one goes with that one somewhere.
And Credu.
Credu. I'm going to win one Oscar, if not. People believe that's there.
Well, that would fit in there.
Because here he's talking about Indiana Jones and
We go on left.
all right, if not many.
Good girl.
It goes in there. There.
Ffilm mae enwog iawn. Enwog is in enwog iawn,
Famous. My very famous film. My very famous film. People think. Now that's people thinking.
Yeah, it is.
Sut mae'n dod? Right, okay. You're more or less there?
Oh,
my God.
Yeah.
Got one left. I don't know where it goes.
Right, okay. Gen i weld.
Crikey.
It's a very exciting series.
Dwi'n stopio pawb os gwelwch yn dda. Dwi'n stopio pawb. Dwi'n... A dwi'n ei gwir, mae pawb wedi i fod yn arferchog. I fod dwi'n very well. So be dwi'n mynd i wneud, dwi'n mynd i ddarllen allan y sgript yn Gymraeg a checiwch and put them, if it was any one or two out of order, you can just do that, okay? So gan i weld nawr, na i ddarllen tudalen 2 o'r top. So, ac be nawn ni, wrth i ni ddarllen trwyddo fe, I'll read it line by line, and we can translate it as we go along hefyd, okay? So, dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg.
I speak Welsh and Spanish.
Wrth gwrs. Portiwgeg. Rhywfaint o Ffrangeg.
And some French.
Some French. A tipyn bach o Saesneg.
And a little bit of English.
Of English. Dwi'n gallu darllen a deall.
I'm able to read and understand.
So that gallu is to can or be able, right? Almaeneg hefyd.
German as well.
Mae'n siŵr.
I'm sure.
It's mae'n siŵr actually means it's sure, but you can say I'm sure as well, okay? So eich bod chi wedi gweld.
That everyone has seen.
Oh, we do. I've seen it. Sorry.
Nodding, right, yeah. Mae'n siŵr eich bod chi wedi gweld, that you have seen.
When you do that? You can put it in.
Mae'n siŵr eich bod chi wedi gweld. So the wedi gweld is the have seen.
I've seen.
Rai o fy ffilmiau I. Some of my films. Rai o fy ffilmiau I. Some of my films. Very famous films. Ffilmiau enwog iawn fel y chwech gwych.
No, we got these in the wrong order.
Yeah, just mark in the order. Ioan a'r 5 corach.
Yeah.
Right, a ddau fwscatero. Right, so that's the first 2 paragraphs wedi wneud. The third paragraph starts off and he says, I've just released my new film. So, dwi newydd ryddhau. Yeah, so newydd ydi new, so I have newly released. Just done something. Okay? Ryddhau, released. Fy ffilm ddiweddaraf.
My latest film.
Right, Indiana Jones a'r 3 mochyn bach.
Oh my god.
Take him over there.
And it's so fun. And lots of people, ac mae llawer o bobl believe. Ei bod hi, it's so good, ei bod hi
Mor da.
Ei bod, it's sure to win. Ei bod hi'n sure. Now, sure o ennill is a very handy phrase for you. How are things going this week? Dwi'n siŵr o ennill. Let's have some bragging. Pawb mynd, dwi'n siŵr o ennill cariad at iaith. 1, 2, 3. Dwi'n siŵr o ennill cariad at iaith. Yeah, so, okay, so, dwi'n yeah, so we've got here a bod hi'n siŵr o ennill, that it is sure to win. O leiaf 1 Oscar.
At least one Oscar.
Os nad mwy.
If not more.
I was very impressed, Nathan, by the way. You give the standing ovation to the Berchod yn dawnsio Zumba. I gyd pawb mynd mwy. Mwy, ar Berchod. Wel, da iawn, chwarae teg. So, right. Paragraff nesa. Ond dwi ddim wedi dod yma heddi.
Didn't come here today
I siarad am.
to talk about
Indiana Jones a'r 3 mochyn bach.
Tutors and 3
Okay.
pigs.
Dwi wedi dod yma. Now, to prepare. Baratoi. Ar gyfer cyfres dyledu newydd. A new ar gyfer S4C, sef anturiaethau fflach eiria. Mae hi'n gyfres gyffrous iawn.
It's a very exciting thing.
You're Solomon.
Yeah.
You got that wrong.
That paragraph is at the bottom. So the next paragraph is my hin gyfres gyffroes iawn. Very exciting series. Sy'n sôn am ymdrechion. And sôn am means talk about. Sy'n sôn am ymdrechion. You can use sôn am for things like, well, sôn am cheek. We'll talk about cheek. Did that person just pushed it to me in front of the queue for food? Right, so you can practice it. Whenever you can jump the queue in food, and the rest of you can go, well, sôn am cheek. Ofnadwy. Sôn am cheek. Ofnadwy. So, sôn am can be talk about anything. Sôn am. And you say, oh, talk about...
and rice.
If you're talking about something, you say, oh, talk about so-and-so. I just heard that they've got a new job. Sôn am, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so if you're talking about sôn am is to talk about. Okay. So, sy'n sôn am ymdrechion, the effort of flach areas.
Flach areas.
Flach areas is in harmony of our hero. And what has he got to do? Be mae sy'n rhaid? Acheb y ddeiar. Acheb y ddeiar. Y ddeiar. Rag from. Ac mae Gethin made the connection between the word diavlig, it was? Diabolic and Diablo. Diablo, felly devil, felly basically rhag dihirod diavlig. Villain. And where did they come from? O Bendrawd Bydysawd. Yeah, right, okay. Universe. So byd is world, Bydysawd contains the world, is the universe. The bigger the word is, the bigger it is. Byd, Bydysawd. Byd, and it changes sound. Byd, Bydysawd. Bydysawd. Yeah. The final paragraph, now turn, ydy, gyda'r gyfres arloesol yma,
With
this pioneering new series, I don't want to use.
Dwi ddim eisiau defnyddio
cheap or nasty actors, no, like rhyw actorion, ceiniog a dimau. Ceiniog a dimau. And ceiniog a dimau literally means penny halfpenny. My guy, now rad means cheap, but ceiniog a dimau means, you know, dirt cheap. Well, more than dirt cheap, it means cheap and nasty. Yeah, cheap, like really, you know, sort of people, you know, people who really bad actors, ceiniog a dimau, who get paid a pittance because they're not very good. So, felly, a ferchog, da iawn. Okay, beth ni roi'r rhai nôl yn yr amlenni. Chod yma in the envelopes, felly.
40% success. We did.
Well, I've actually made right down to the gwir, felly you do chunks of it, so that just... Yeah. Right, okay, now turn. Jigsaw now, and I'll do one more card thing, sef jigsaw. Now, cyn hynny, dwi'n mynd I wneud individual words. So if you put your own popeth yn fan, I'll collect them wedyn, right? Ond beth sydd gyda fi fan hyn nawr ydy, I'll do some berfau, some verbs with you, some individual things before we go on back there. So dyma, what's she doing? Right, yeah. Molchi. Golchi is to wash something else. Golchi'r car, golchi llestri. To wash yourself is molchi, or very often shortened to just molchi. So if you molchi, you wash yourself. You can't molchi a car, because that's something else. It's not you, right? So it's golchi car, but molchi. This one is... And these are all verbs, so actions, what you fill me up, pop thing out, okay? This one is, why? No, it's, he's very happy. My Owen, hooray, mae hi'n dweud, oh na. No, mae hi'n dweud, hip hip, a mae hi'n dweud, Right, da iawn, ennill, to win. I remember dwi'n siŵr o ennill cariad o'r iaith. So ennill, to win, ennill. Redeg, da iawn. Oedden ni'n siarad gyda Dwynwen gynharach. Weithiau, when you're learning words, and some words just will not stick. Sometimes they just stick easy, sometimes they don't. Os dyn nhw ddim, there is a little mnemonic trick you can do, which is to take a word in a language you want to learn and make some kind of visual picture to go with it, which helps you remember it. So, if you think of the word redeg, and you just can't remember the word redeg, think of, oh yeah, like you can see this person running, not with the Olympic torch, as they're doing throughout the TV, but they're running with a red egg in their hand. So they're going, running with a red egg. It's been boiled and dyed. Red egg, running with a red egg. So the word like, right, so now then, gyda the word cyfarwyddwr, which is the one you mentioned to me, director. If you think of the word cyfarwyddwr, think of a director sat there with a saucepan cover on his head or something, right? And there we are, you've got a cyfarwyddwr, and you only need part of the word to give you a kickstart into it. Cyfarwyddwr. So think of the director sat in that chair with a saucepan cover on his head. It's cyfarwyddwr. There is now then, it's a method called link word actually. When we're off camera, because I can't advertise, I'll tell you about a CD-ROM which has these kinds of links in them, where you actually learn tons and tons of Welsh words through this. I'll give you an example. Heddiw, you were drinking wine, Wynne. Okay, there is a accident. Welsh word for accident is damn wine, and there's a little cartoon showing a car having crashed into a tree, and the person and the sentence says it was the damn wine which caused the accident. So that kind of link. So that, if words don't go in, you can do that little trick. I do it in Spanish sometimes. If a word will not stick, I'll make up some kind of bizarre image in my head just to give me a kickstart into the word, and it sticks. Okay, so red egg. So what's he got in his hand?
The red egg.
Da iawn. Okay, now to hwn. Peintio. Okay, hwn. Siarad could be sgwrsio. That'd be fine. Sgwrsio is to talk, is to chat. Sgwrsio is to chat, siarad is to talk, either will do. This one. Chwarae. You can have canu'r guitar or chwarae, but so either one will do, okay? Chwarae.
Canu'r musical instrument though?
That's a bit old-fashioned in a way. It started off, canu'r delyn is to play the harp, but in common parlance you would say chwarae guitar or chwarae piano, but you will hear both, okay? Iawn? Darllen. Okay, darllen. Nofio. Right, let's mix them up, right? Now then, let's go. Yeah, so yeah. Stafell molchi, yeah. Stafell.
What's to read again? Darllen.
Darllen, okay, right, so let's...
Oh, he's sitting on his head with a frying pan.
What does stafell molchi?
Shit, I can't remember though. Frying.
Cyfradw.
What do you want?
Where does the frying pan come from?
Cyfar.
Why don't you think there's a frying pan?
If you think of the director as doing this, he's got a cover in his head, right? And he's got this, and he's going, hey, you over there. Get out of the camera shot. Okay, cyfarwyddwr. It's a pretty bossy director, okay? Cyfarwyddwr. Okay? Cyfarwyddwr. So what
I said earlier, I refuse to acknowledge the existence of directors, so I'm not going to do it.
Mental block, emotional block. Okay, now then, so, and Gyflym iawn, are you up for it?
Yeah.
Ow.
Peintio! Yay, right, okay.
Ffilmio.
Hey! Jump up again, right? Oh, so again.
Show us nofio.
Oh, right, yeah.
I was waiting for that.
That keeps him happy. So I'm even for it, okay. Monkey. Filmio and two final ones are. Right, okay, and back up. Right. So now turn.
I don't know.
Ennill. Wynne. Right, okay, Dominic. You can shout at each other now in your pairs, right? But so you slam them down and say who's going to say these first, right? So Dominic. So you've got the. Oh, you've got. Oh, sorry.
It's like snap.
That it. Right, now then. Okay, right. So documentary then. Gyflym iawn. So it's actually boom.
Like snap.
Yeah. Well, you put them down. So you put them down and don't look, and then look, and both of you shout and dive in. So be competitive.
Don't take more about me.
Okay, down. Go on.
Oh, they're on the back. The answers are on the back.
Do it like that. Ready?
Filmio.
No, it's Filmio.
Filmio.
No, because cover Oi thing is director. That's Filmio.
All right, you can have that one.
Shut up. Ready?
Novio.
Oh, go on, you have that. Up. Radio.
Each one. One or two.
Ready. Oh no.
I got Ennill. I see that.
Shalad.
I go see that one. Declan.
You signed before you put it down! And he's cheated! He's cheated!
I'm trying not to see them. Hang on.
Okay, last one.
Parry.
He's looking at the card, but no.
Bucky.
I'm pretty even. I think I've got Pedwell.
Pugh.
There's like 3 that I can never remember.
Filmio. Novio.
That one.
Saw that. Red egg.
That's the win.
Quadrant. Declan. Red egg. What? Get your ass together. Come on.
You almost shouted my contact lenses out of their eyes. Shit!
Right.
It's quick, not loud.
Shalad. Red egg. Declan. Quadrant. Monkey.
Filmio. Pantio. Novio.
Cysylltu geiriau, connecting words, so I'll give those out afterwards, yeah? At the end, felly, when we have some time, downtime, iawn? Felly, ond cyn hynny, be dyn ni'n mynd i neud nawr ydy fel jigsaw. Ond jigsaw, brawddegau. Be sydd gyda ni fan hyn ydy brawddegau, sentences from tudalen 1 a 2, cut up into their constituent words. You have to put the sentence back together and you with all these little words in them. Felly dyna beth dyn ni'n mynd i wneud. Ac mewn gwirionedd. Right, okay. And there are actually 6, there should be 6 sentences.
I'm not sure which bits of it were.
Yeah.
My eyes were so bad with my contacts.
Let me just. Right, so basically you've got number 1, okay? Rhif 2. Okay, so they've got one sentence, you've got another. There are actually 6 sentences here, which we are moving around. Okay, so 3 a 4, a wedyn mae 2 sbar. Felly, dyn ni'n swapio nhw o gwmpas. Okay, agor nhw.
Dewch chi mewn, in i cefn.
Oh, there's loads in there now.
That's it. That was that hero. Then.
Right. Oh.
Oh, crikey.
No, Dwi'n...
What does hwyr mean? Hero.
Hero.
Aberaeron.
Mae'n...
Apparently you came up with this sentence after you were drinking.
Oh, yes, okay, I know what that is then.
Oh, there you are, see?
I can only do it now if I've been drinking.
Yeah, a big one.
It's, what do you say when you say sorry? Is...
Dwi'n dod.
This I'm sorry, I'm late. I said I'm sorry, but I'm afraid I'm pissed.
Yeah,
we need to say I'm sorry, but I'm late. So it's my...
Dwi ddim yn eisiau...
I don't want to use these ones going, because it was only 3 lines, wasn't it? So these ones will go in there somewhere. Rhyw, maybe there?
Some. Is that some rhyw?
Yes, so that was there. Some...
Rhyw actorion ar gyfer pioneering series yma. Do you have that?
What does Emma mean?
Is it here, I think? Gyda gyfres arloesol yma. Dwi...
Yn yr amlen.
Dewch chi mewn.
That's Anne, is it?
It's for you to do afterwards.
Oh, diolch yn
Little present, thank you.
Is that right?
Yes, rhyw actorion.
And 8 rules going to be towards the end, maybe.
Might be a meaty one. I think it's going to be a meaty one.
It is meaty.
Meaty, beefy.
Oh, yeah, we can do this.
What do you have for Oh, we've lived this one. We've lived this one. We knew exactly.
So, right. So...
I've got a note. Which goes up there. Dwi'n siarad
Spanish
Cymraeg
a Spaneg
wrth
gwrs.
Was it the... we're missing a bit of...
This is remember your theory.
Yeah.
The Portuguese, that's fine, sorry. Yeah, you were like Portuguese.
We're missing our Almaeneg.
It's not in this sentence.
Oh, right.
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Spaneg, of course.
Bim bach.
Portuguese.
There's something missing there, isn't there?
No. But there is 2 words need to be changed around.
Oh, dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Sbaeneg wrth gwrs. Portuguese. Rhaid o. Rhaid o. Ffrangeg.
A tipyn bach o Saesneg.
Yeah, okay, wedi gorffen y ddwy.
Dwy a pedwar. Diolch.
Diolch yn fawr. Dewch chi mewn.
Okay, so you went 3, 4.
Oh, this is a long one.
I like your nails.
Oh, I didn't bring it with me. I was gutted. I know. I completely forgot.
You had the gelish polish. I really want to have it done.
I haven't.
It
My
lasts for
flatmate did it. She said she loved it. But
Really?
ruined her nails.
Oh, did it?
She's got really small nails, and I've got quite big nails, so I'm able to do stuff.
Dwi'n dodo, isn't it? Dwi'n dodo.
Dwi'n.
Here we are.
Dwi'n dod
I'm from
o Patagonia in North America.
South America. Something
Is
originally.
it South America?
South America. We need
Oh
something
yeah, because
there.
this is South America. But on.
No, we got on in originally.
Oh, in.
But now I live with...
So what's I do something?
No,
What was it?
Dwi'n. So... Oh, there we go.
Dwi'n.
Is it that?
Dwi'n
byw an... No, does that have an an? Yeah, an Abrairon.
Right.
Now.
Okay.
Oh no, it's got a...
Yn Abrairon.
Now. And then you
It's
go
not far
where?
from the sea.
So it's not far is...
Oh, that's...
It's not far is...
Beth... what's not far?
It's not, so...
That's not.
Ddim yn or, ddim is or, more. Or more. Instead of
Ddim yn or, more.
See,
But...
C is...
Dim and best or more.
Okay, and then we just got to get the bit at the top up.
Oh, right.
Yeah, that's
That
right.
sentence up
That is
here.
right.
Now then, I'm assuming that's the first one because it's not a capital. What's that again?
Well,
As.
As
Dych chi'n gwybod.
as you know. As you know. Gwybod is
Dych chi'n gwybod. Fel dych chi'n gwybod. Fel dych chi'n gwybod.
Roeddiol, ond anroeddiol.
Dod o
Ond nawr,
Patagonia.
dwi'n fyw yn Aberaeron. Ddim yn bell o'r
Oh,
môr.
big one.
That's the hardest one, I reckon.
Yeah.
Oh, we got
Oh,
that.
this is the one at the top of the page.
Yeah. What do you find?
Llanig.
What's that?
Cymraeg, up there, isn't it? Sbaeneg,
Yeah,
Bach,
that goes after that, doesn't
Siarad.
it? Portuguese. There's one there.
This is the last one in the Portuguese. Siarad.
That was in there. Right. Dwi'n siarad. It's dwi'n siarad. Is it?
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg.
Dwi'n
A ydych chi wedi gwneud un o dau?
Sbaeneg.
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a
Sbaeneg.
Sbaeneg.
I don't know if that's the right way around, but we've got an R here.
Fel trwy gyfer cyfres newydd
Is it R for S4C, namely this?
Na, dwi wedi dod yma I baratoi to prepare for baratoi gyfer cyfres newydd cyfres newydd dyledu, do you reckon?
Probably, yeah.
Dyledu. RS4C? I don't understand this one. RS4C, do you think?
Oh, that's good. 4S could be. I don't know.
No, dwi wedi
Got
dod
these
yma baratoi gyfer cyfres newydd dyledu. Baratoi gyfer cyfres newydd dyledu RS4C.
Your face, you know.
Yeah. I don't think we need those.
I don't think these two words need to be in this sentence.
I don't think so. We're fine without it.
Na, dwi wedi dod am yr... Na, dwi wedi dod am yr baratoi gyfer cyfres newydd. Ar dyledu. Ar dyledu, could be. Gyfer 4S4C. I don't know where this one goes. Maybe up here somewhere. No.
Cyfres
Dwi wedi
newydd
dod.
a dyledu gyfer RS4C. Yeah, that is there, isn't it? A cyfres newydd a dyledu.
Newydd, yeah. Excuse me, sir. Athrawon.
Yeah. Oh, please. Afro, ddim afro. I know, maybe a bit feminine.
In touch with the feminine side.
Yeah.
Now, this. Here we
We've got a couple of these little things.
Okay, right. Dwi wedi dod yma I baratoi ar gyfer cyfres newydd.
So that's prepare. And what's
For.
that then? To prepare for. And what's that?
Well, ar gyfer is for. To prepare for.
Oh, so they go together every time.
So ar gyfer is like two words which is an expression which goes together. You paratoi ar gyfer. So if you're preparing for Christmas, paratoi ar gyfer y Nadolig. You could have at y Nadolig. But, so preparing for a big party, paratoi ar gyfer party mawr.
So paratoi ar gyfer cariad y jaith.
Da iawn. Yeah. So like my middle son is now yn paratoi ar gyfer arholiad lefel A.
Oh, it's A-levels.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can I just ask you if I know what this means in English? No. I have come here today to prepare for my new series for the telly on S4C, namely Adventures of Flach Arias.
Da iawn, ar ddechrau, I'm going to move this. Now, the video yma heddi I baratoi gyfres cyfres. What kind of a series? It's not a radio series.
Oh,
it is a...
so it's telly-series.
Yn Aberaeron now, ddim, it's this one, because that, ddim yn bell or more, ddim yn bell or more.
You're speaking in sentences in Welsh.
Fel chi'n gwybod,
Yeah.
dwi'n dod o Patagonia in i America o roeddio, ond dwi'n byw yn Aberaeron nawr. Ddim yn bell o'r môr. Fel chi'n gwybod. Fel chi'n gwybod, dwi'n dod o Chaerdydd.
Right,
Yn
okay.
Chaerdydd.
Yeah. Ne Gymru.
Oh, yn Ne Gymru.
Yeah.
How we stop you am
A roeddio.
Mwy na I wedi gorffen. I don't know if we can actually do any more because depending on how many sentences you've done. So be dwi'n mynd I wneud nawr, dwi'n mynd I stopio gyda'r hain, finish on the sentence you're on, iawn? Ac ar ôl I ni wneud hynny, dyn ni'n mynd yn ôl. Let's go back now I the two-sided cards. Right, yeah, as we said. Ac dyn ni'n mynd I wneud, just try a few of them. Do the easiest ones first. Saesneg, Cymraeg. It's all, my bob amser yn syniad ar ferchog. Why do difficult things? Do the easiest first. Okay, so now go back to you've kept them next to you, right? The two-sided cards. Ac ewch o Saesneg Cymraeg, because you stretch your muscles. So we'll try the Saesneg Cymraeg and choose the easy ones first. Felly, you should have kept the cards next to you. No. Did I take them back?
It fries your brain.
Right, we've got to go from English to French. Is that right?
English to French. What is right, Alfie? Let's go. Should we do a bit of Spanish as well? Oh, God. Okay.
English to Welsh. Right.
Okay, so let's do the easiest first.
Right, right. I can read and Dallan. Dwi'n dallan.
Can is galw. Galai is can.
Gallai dallan. No, to read that is that's different, isn't it? We just did it to understand. What was the one you had in your hand?
It's two deep. There's d and d.
Oh, do it. D-R-V weird or something?
Yeah. There's a in the middle of it. There's a in the middle of it. Double L in the middle of it. They llaw, they llai, they clai, they... This right. It was the first one.
Oh, when you get this one?
Let's do that one. Go on, yeah.
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Spaneg. Wrth gwrs. Portuguese.
That was the word
Rifywel, Ffrangeg, a tipyn bach. O tipyn bach. Tipyn bach. O Saesneg.
Damwain I chi!
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg a Spaneg, wrth gwrs, Portuguese. What do we say? Do we say that?
Yma, dwi ddim eisiau, I don't want to use defnyddio Defnyddio. Actorion. Ceiniog o dimiau.
Ceiniog a dimau.
Ceiniog a dimau. Right, okay.
Actorion, ceiniog a dimau. Try and do that again.
Yeah,
Gyda'r cyfres... No idea. Oh, the arsehole! Gyda Owen! My arsehole!
Okay.
Gyda cyfres arloesol yma, dwi ddim eisiau
Defnyddio is to use. Defnyddio. What can we use to remind us of that? Defnyddio.
Dev from EastEnders? There's Dev in EastEnders.
And Parry, actually.
Okay. Dev.
That also.
Maybe I'll just remember that now, because we've just talked about Dev.
Defnyddio. Dwi ddim yn eisiau defnyddio
fwsgaterwr.
Letwith, and you have a politician, Oliver Letwith.
Okay. Now.
Oh, this is the newydd.
The newydd.
Newydd.
No.
Dwi'n newydd. I've newly released. Dwi'n newydd. Roddhau.
Don't die. Don't die.
Forget that. Let's do my latest film.
Fy ffilmiau ddiweddaraf.
Yeah.
It's that one and the director.
Yeah. Well, diwedd is the end, isn't it? A diwedd, the end. Right?
Okay.
And if if somebody's late, they go, o'r ddiwedd, at last, the end, see? So it's a ddiwedd araf.
Fy ffilmiau ddiweddaraf.
A ffilmiau ddiwedd araf.
Indiana.
Indiana Hop.
Bod.
Eich bod.
Wedi gweld.
Gweld or whatever it is.
Rhyw mae ffilmiau.
Fy ffilmiau.
Enwog iawn
Ffilmiau enwog fawr.
Ffilmiau enwog iawn.
Sef.
Fel. Ffilmiau enwog iawn. Chwech gwych.
Yeah.
Chwech gwych.
Eira gwyn.
Ond
Pimp corach.
Ond dau ffwsgatir.
Right. Fel cyffrus arloesol.
Fel
I can't remember that one at all. Because I can't remember the word for that.
Yeah.
Right. Dwi'n...
That was effort song.
Just.
Oh God. Right. Save the Earth.
Dastardly.
Iar. Yeah.
Dastardly villains. It was Diablo.
No, Diavlon.
Diavlon was villains. Dastardly began with D as well. Did it win D as well, I think?
Did we have that? Dastardly?
Paratoi ar gyfer.
That's it. Prepare. Sounds like paratoi gyfer.
Ar gyfer. Newydd. No, gyfres teledu newydd. Ar gyfer again.
Oh yeah, ar gyfer S4.
Fel.
Oh, that vel at the end. Vel. S4. Vel. Anturiaethiau
Flach areas.
Antir. Because antir is a venture.
Yes. Okay.
Antir is a venture. That. So antir, I just have remembered it because it's venture. It makes no sense because antir doesn't remind you of venture, but because he said antir is to go into a business venture.
And it is bad. Well, good.
Anturiaethiau.
Yes.
Okay.
It's very exciting. Mae'n gyfres cyffroes iawn.
Mae'n gyfres cyffroes, of course, cyffroes, excited.
Yeah.
Mae'n gyfres, so gyfres is the very. Gyfres is the, no, Gyfres is the series. Remember the television series? Oh, of course, yes. Yeah. Yeah, of course, very young. Mae'n gyfres cyffroes iawn, the very.
Which talks about the effort. Oh God, I'm going now.
See, because we've not made it to this in any of these. Mae hi'n gyfres iawn. Bendigedig.
All right, scene
sôn am ymdrechion.
Yeah, we know that the struggles, try-ins, the efforts. Ymdrechion? No?
Yeah, of course.
And that's the Sonam is talk about jumping in the queue. Sonam.
Oh, yeah. Sonam.
Cheek.
Talk about...
Sonam cheek?
That's it. That's it. Seen Sonam ymdrechion. Talk about... Yeah, okay. Flach. Oh, hang on. But I think we should just read it, otherwise...
Rhan? Rhyw, actorion,
Ceiniog a dymaw. Dimai. Ceiniog a dimai.
Beth? Fel dime in America.
Dime, oh yeah.
Ceiniog a dime.
Ceiniog a
Dime. Cofio the song Dime, hen blant bach. Dime. Hippany. Dime, hen blant bach. Yeah, dime. So ceiniog a dime. Shibo nasty.
Ceiniog a dime. Ceiniog dydyn.
Okay, ond dwi ddim dod yma heddiw i siarad am Indiana Jones yn y tîm o'ch
I siarad
am?
Is it am? About am.
Right, this is the one. Leisiol.
Da iawn. No.
Fucking
What's it? No, what's it? It is. It's.
Mine.
Mae'n
cyffroes. No, mae'n cyfres cyffroes.
Cyffroes, is it? Cyffroes. Iawn.
Sôn am
ymdrechiad.
Ymdrechiau effort.
Nyddion, was it?
Ymdrechion. Ie,
Ymdrechion.
Something. Dau Muscadero. But what's out there?
It was something, I didn't, yeah, it was die.
Ddau Muscadero.
Correct. That's right, because they drop the P, don't you, when you're talking about 5 things. Oh my God, my brain hurts. Mine sure.
No, nah. Is it?
Nah. It's like eating the flight.
Nah, I have come here.
Do you think we'd be in bottom setup?
I don't think they'd have a set for us. I have come here. Dwyn. No? Dwyn. I have come here. Dewch. I said Dewch last time. Why have I got Dewch?
Because you said Diablo.
Now prepare, that was one of the difficult ones. Was that being the one?
Right, okay. Dyn ni'n mynd I stopio yna. Wneud hyn. Okay, felly mae bron
Yn fflan.
Ie, da iawn.
The pen yn fflan.
Great, da iawn. Right, okay. Now then, rowch pethau nôl I mewn, put them back in the envelopes. Okay. Now, simple. Dyma ni. Dych chi angen beiro i wneud hyn, so os dych chi eisiau mynd nôl i eistedd lawr, os dych chi eisiau, oce? Dych chi eisiau beiro.
Are we straight here?
You can do if you want, yeah, on beiro, just cysylltu, connect these up, cysylltu.
Custards. Custards. You said, someone said custards.
Right.
Gotta get a beiro.
We put those back in the envelopes, nôl i mewn. Right, okay, the envelope is mae o'n lib. Mae'n lib. Damwain, dyn ni wedi gael damwain.
Fy mhen wedi marw.
My pin.
Digon.
My pin.
Beth yw ffwl?
Llawn. Llawn. So dyn ni wedi gwneud. Dych chi wedi gweithio'n galed iawn, chwarae teg. Dych chi wedi gweithio'n galed iawn.
Ga i Hifynia, os gwelwch yn dda.
Right, now then, so rhywbeth syml nawr i orffen, just cysylltu, connect up these line.
Sorry, bach.
Do you have an easy pad?
Oes, ti'n chi wedi... Ie.
On.
Pwy sydd ddim wedi cael? Pawb wedi cael? Ie. Oce.
Ymwneud. Edrych.
I feel better than I have any right to be honest.
Siarad in.
Oh, we're losing.
Tally.
Show us the tally.
So the tally band gweithio.
They're the bands that pay.
Ie, dyn ni'n mynd i orffen nawr.
Gweithio. Rhedeg.
Edrych.
Siarad.
I'm the winning
You got it wrong.
Thanks very much.
Iawn.
Dwi'n cyntaf. Dwi'n ennill.
Mae rhaid ni fynd nawr, achos mae nhw angen danfon rhywbeth ar y satellite, ar y lloeren. So we have to, mae nhw'n fynd ar tapes.
Working.
So we've got to time it, so mae'n rhaid ni orffen. We've got to danfon o'r gyfer Cymraeg. Right, okay, now then, dyn ni cyn gorffen, nawn ni ganu can,
Well,
okay?
Dwi'n... Wel, dwi'n cyntaf i wedi gorffen, o hefyd, dwi'n ennill cariad at iaith. So, stopio ffilmio. Diolch.
Right, that's it, yn gyflym iawn, dyn ni'n ganu un can fach.
So it's that's to win. The guy with binoculars.
He's looking.
Look.
Edrych.
Ennill far yna.
Yeah.
I don't want to use...
Baratoi.
Yeah.
Edrych hana.
And then
Edrych.
Edrych is what?
Edrych is two.
Why my look?
Edrych yma.
Edrych yma. Edrych yma.
Tally.
All of this goes out. Every whole thing on YouTube.
Okay, wedyn ni, eistedd lawr, gweld, mae amser yn mynd rhywbeth chi eisiau.
Then you got paintio. Yeah, that's all of it.
Rhedeg, chwarae.
Oh, I put cariad.
Gai nawr chi sôn, mae'n nhw eisiau gael y tap. So, right, okay, cyfan dyn ni eisiau nawr, dim sgript, dim byd. Cyfan dych chi eisiau, ydy eich dwylo. Dwylo. Cyfan dych chi eisiau, ydy dwylo. So, gyda'n dwylo ni, right, yeah, da iawn, ardderchol. So na, dim files, achos dych chi ddim eisiau dim byd o'ch blaen chi. Dim files, dim byd. Dych chi, so, dyn ni, be dyn ni wneud weithio, mynd yn ôl yn neud caneuon, dyn ni wedi wneud o'r blaen. So we did this ddoe, feels like last week, ond ddoe oedd o, dweud y gwir. Felly, dyn ni mynd i wneud can y corff eto. Felly, pawb lan. A dych chi, let's remind yourselves this pen. Ysgwyddau. Coesau. Traed. Coesau. Coesau traed, pen ysgwyddau, coesau traed, coesau traed. Llygaid, clistiau, troed a cheg, pen ysgwyddau, coesau traed. Iawn, na, so just, yn gyflym iawn, felly mynd, pen ysgwyddau, coesau traed, coesau traed, pen ysgwyddau, coesau traed, coesau traed, llygaid, clistiau, troed a cheg, pen ysgwyddau, coesau traed, coesau traed, pen ysgwyddau, coesau traed, coesau traed, pen ysgwyddau, coesau traed, coesau traed, llygaid, clistiau, troed a cheg, pen ysgwyddau, coesau traed, coesau traed. Reit, da iawn!
I didn't do that yesterday.
Coesau is legs. No, coesau.
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 Oh, you're not saying these, you?
No.
Legs.
Legs.
Oh, we didn't need
Penlinia.
Penlinia.
Penelin.
So Ellen is here. Pen Ellen.
If we're off camera, I'll teach you something, okay? Off camera, pen, penelin, penlin, penol. That's all. Pen, penelin, penlin, penol. Pen,